The benefits of hibiscus. This vibrant, eye-catching plant, native to warm, temperate, tropical and subtropical regions, has graced many a garden with its stunning blooms. But beyond its visual allure, the hibiscus plant holds a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be discovered. In different cultures around the globe, hibiscus has been more than just a pretty face. It's been used in traditional medicine, revered for its potent properties. From the pharaohs of ancient Egypt to the Ayurvedic practitioners in India, hibiscus has quietly woven its way into the fabric of our world's health history. Today, this plant is most commonly seen adorning our gardens and parks. However, it's not just a decorative darling. It's also a medicinal marvel, a lesser-known facet that we're about to explore. So buckle up. We're about to take a journey into the hibiscus world. Now, let's delve deeper into the health benefits this vibrant plant offers. Scene script. You might be surprised to learn the numerous health benefits hibiscus holds. Let's dive right in. First off, hibiscus is famous for its ability to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can significantly reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This makes it a wonderful natural remedy for those with hypertension. But that's not all. Hibiscus is also a friend to your liver. It's packed with bioflavonoids, natural compounds that help to safeguard your liver from damage. They achieve this by neutralizing harmful free radicals, ensuring your liver stays healthy and functions at its best. Are you on a journey to lose weight? Hibiscus might just be the companion you need. It has diuretic properties, meaning it helps your body get rid of excess fluids and salts. This can contribute to weight loss and help you maintain a healthy weight. Let's not forget digestion. Hibiscus aids in improving digestion as it regularizes both urination and bowel movements. By doing so, it helps to ensure that the gastrointestinal system is running smoothly, preventing discomfort and conditions like constipation and bloating. As if these benefits were not enough, hibiscus is also a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system, helping to ward off common illnesses and infections. On the other hand, antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from damaging free radicals. These free radicals can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. By consuming hibiscus, you're providing your body with a natural defense against these harmful elements. So we've seen how hibiscus can help lower blood pressure, boost liver health, aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and provide a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Each of these health benefits contributes to overall wellness and can significantly improve the quality of life. Impressive, right? But how can you incorporate hibiscus into your daily routine? One of the most common and enjoyable ways to reap the benefits of hibiscus is by drinking it as tea. Preparing hibiscus tea is as simple as steeping dried hibiscus petals in hot water. The steeping time can be adjusted based on your preference for taste intensity. The longer you steep, the deeper the flavor and the more benefits you extract from the petals. And speaking of flavor, it's a unique combination of tart and sweet, reminiscent of cranberries, but with a floral twist. Now, when's the best time to drink it? Well, it's surprisingly versatile. You can enjoy it hot on a chilly morning or as a refreshing iced tea on a hot afternoon. The best part? Hibiscus tea is completely caffeine-free. It's a great alternative to your regular caffeinated beverages if you're looking to reduce your caffeine intake or if you simply want a relaxing cup of tea before bedtime. So next time you're reaching for a cup of tea, consider making it a hibiscus one. To sum it up, hibiscus isn't just a beautiful flower, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Recall those impressive perks we've spoken about earlier. From supporting a healthy heart, aiding digestion, to boosting your immune system, the benefits are manifold. It's a natural source of antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to your health regimen. But the real beauty of hibiscus lies in its simplicity. Incorporating it into your routine is as easy as brewing a cup of tea. Yes, hibiscus tea. This delicious ruby red infusion is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your well-being. So why not give it a try? It's a simple, delightful way to bolster your health. Whether it's the start of your day or a relaxing evening, there's always room for a cup of hibiscus tea. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, your cup of hibiscus tea is waiting for you.